Top 10 Interesting Facts About Porcupines. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of spiky and mysterious creatures. Have you ever wondered what secrets these little forest warriors hold? Get ready for a journey full of surprises as we explore the 10 most intriguing facts about porcupines. Number 10. Behavior changes in captivity. In their natural habitat, porcupines are nocturnal creatures and often show a marked aversion to interacting with other individuals of their species. However, when in captivity, it has been observed that some porcupines develop a higher tolerance for the presence of other conspecifics. This change in social behavior can be attributed to adapting to an artificial environment and the limited availability of space. Additionally, it has been documented that porcupines in captivity show a greater willingness to engage in recreational activities and interact with objects in their surroundings. This change could be interpreted as a response to the need for mental and physical stimulation in a more restricted environment compared to their natural habitat. It is interesting to note that these behavioral adjustments are not uniform among all individuals of captive porcupines. Some may easily adapt to their new environment, while others may experience stress levels affecting their overall well-being. Caretakers and wildlife experts must take these behavioral changes into account to implement measures that promote the well-being of these captive animals. Number 9. Prolonged gestation. Unlike other rodents that may have shorter gestation periods, porcupines undergo a prolonged gestational process that can range between 195 and 217 days, approximately. This outstanding duration in the animal kingdom is noteworthy for several reasons. The extended gestation of porcupines can be attributed to their body size and the development of their central nervous system, which requires a significant amount of time to reach proper maturity before birth. This long gestational period ensures that the offspring is born with a better ability to survive and adapt to their environment. This feature highlights the unique reproductive strategy of porcupines. Although prolonged gestation involves a considerable investment of energy and resources on the part of the female, it also provides the opportunity to give birth to more developed offspring, thus increasing their chances of survival in their natural habitat. Number 8. Swimming abilities. The swimming ability of porcupines is largely due to their unique physical structure. Unlike other terrestrial mammals, porcupines have hollow hairs that provide them with natural buoyancy. These hairs trap air, allowing the porcupine to float in the water relatively easily. Furthermore, porcupines have sturdy and webbed feet that provide them with propulsion while swimming. These feet, combined with their ability to float, allow them to move efficiently through the water, whether in rivers or lakes. Although they are not expert swimmers in the way marine mammals are, porcupines can cross bodies of water relatively easily. This ability can be especially useful in their natural habitat, where they often encounter rivers or streams that need to be crossed in search of food or shelter. Number 7. Longevity. The lifespan of a porcupine can vary depending on various factors such as species, environment, and resource availability. Generally, it has been observed that these spiky mammals can live between 5 and 7 years in the wild, while in captivity, under proper care, they can easily surpass 10 years and even reach 2 decades. What is the secret behind this longevity? Several factors are believed to contribute to porcupines' ability to live longer. One of the main factors is their diet, which consists mainly of a variety of plants, roots, and occasionally insects. This fiber-rich and low-saturated fat diet may contribute to the overall health of these animals, reducing the risk of diseases related to unhealthy eating. Another factor that may influence porcupines' longevity is their ability to defend themselves. Their sharp quills and instinct to curl into a ball when threatened provide excellent protection against potential predators, increasing their chances of survival and living longer. Number 6. Vocal communication. Contrary to their spiky appearance and apparent caution, porcupines employ a diverse range of vocalizations to communicate with each other. These sounds, ranging from grunts to clicks, play a crucial role in the social interaction of these rodents. Through this form of communication, porcupines can convey information about their emotional state, establish social hierarchies, and, most importantly, coordinate behaviors during reproduction. During the mating season, porcupines use their vocal ability to attract potential mates. Males emit specific sounds that act as a kind of serenade, indicating their availability and genetic appeal. On the other hand, females respond in a particular way, thus establishing a unique connection between both individuals. This form of vocal communication is not only essential for reproduction but also plays a fundamental role in the daily lives of porcupines. These sounds can serve as warnings of potential dangers, aid in territory marking, and facilitate coordination in food-seeking situations. Number 5. Adaptations for climbing. One of the most prominent features of their anatomy related to climbing ability is the structure of their limbs. Porcupines have sturdy, curved claws on their feet, specifically designed to grip tree bark effectively. These claws provide them with an excellent grip, allowing them to climb with skill and safety on various tree surfaces. Furthermore, their prehensile tail plays a crucial role in their climbing ability. The porcupine's tail is adapted to function as an additional grasping organ, providing stability while climbing and allowing them to balance on thinner branches. This appendage also acts as a counterbalance, facilitating agile movements and preventing possible falls. Another interesting adaptation is the presence of pads on the soles of their feet, providing them with additional traction when facing slippery surfaces. These pads function similarly to those of some climbing animals, giving porcupines a significant advantage when seeking food or escaping potential predators in the elevated environments they frequent. Number 4. Herbivorous diet. These small rodents, known for their distinctive protective quill layer, are primarily herbivores, meaning their diet consists mainly of plants. Leaves, shoots, bark, and roots are among the essential elements of their diet. This dietary choice is not only unique but also reveals a surprising ability to adapt to varied environments. Their specialized dentition, designed to crush and grind plant material, reflects the evolution of these animals to meet their nutritional needs. While the quills covering their bodies provide formidable defense against predators, the choice of a herbivorous diet can also be considered an evolutionary strategy to minimize aggressive encounters. The herbivorous diet of porcupines not only highlights their adaptability but also underscores the importance of these animals in the ecology of their environment. By feeding on plants, they contribute to vegetation control and can influence the composition of the ecosystems they inhabit. Number 3. Nocturnal habits. These spiky rodents are masters of adaptation, and their preference for nocturnal activity can be attributed to various reasons. Firstly, nocturnal life provides them with greater protection against predators. Being slow-moving animals with awkward movements, porcupines find dusk to be a strategic ally, allowing them to move more stealthily and avoid unwanted encounters. Additionally, their nocturnal habits are closely linked to their diet. Porcupines are herbivores and primarily feed on bark, branches, and leaves. Most plants are more tender and nutritious during the night when the plant has accumulated nutrients during the day and released compounds that make them more appealing to these rodents. The nocturnal life of porcupines is also marked by their social relationships. These animals are often solitary but occasionally gather for companionship during the dark hours. Their social encounters, though not as frequent, can include playful moments and the search for mates for mating. Number 2. Diverse habitat. In forests, porcupines benefit from their ability to climb trees with agility, using their strong claws and prehensile tail. Meanwhile, in drier regions, these fearless rodents have developed strategies to survive, capitalizing on available resources and facing the challenges of water scarcity. Porcupines' adaptation to diverse habitats is also reflected in their diet. They can consume a wide variety of foods, from tree bark and tender shoots to fruits, roots, and even insects. This versatility in food choice contributes to their success in such disparate environments, ensuring they can find nutritious resources wherever they call home. Moreover, their ability to withstand extreme climates, whether enduring freezing temperatures or resisting scorching heat, adds another layer of wonder to the adaptability of these animals. This ability to thrive in such diverse environments highlights the remarkable plasticity of porcupines, making them true masters of survival in different corners of the planet. Number 1. Unique defensive structures. Unlike the spines of other animals, such as sea urchins, porcupine quills are specially designed with small barbs at the tip that contain a series of microscopic hooks. These hooks are extremely sharp and easily embed in the skin or fur of a predator attempting to attack the porcupine. This unique defensive adaptation provides them with a notable advantage in nature, as it deters predators and allows them to escape while the attacker is left with embedded quills, causing discomfort and even infections. In addition to their defensive function, porcupine quills also play a significant role in regulating body temperature and in communication among individuals of the same species.